What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the channel if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, big thumbs up, and follow along what we're doing. So today we're heading back down to Andy's garage. We're going to finish off this Fiat. We picked up some new parts, some new bits in this box that we really needed. We got some new bolts for the suspension because the old ones were in absolute shit. They were all broken and old and no good, so we got brand new bolts for the shocks, nice and strong, stainless, new washers, new nuts, new everything. Also got nice stainless 6mm by 16mm bolts for the Mini, for that bad boy, for the arches, because the arch ones are gone all rusty. Also picked up some new brake lines and some new CV boots, because we're going to replace the CV boots and the brake lines because one of them were frayed and they looked a bit worse for wear. So we're going to replace all of the brake fluid as well. We're going to do a full bleed with fresh fluid, new brake lines all around. So the rear brake lines have been done, so everything on the car is new. Andy's after doing a bit of work. I didn't go down yesterday, had shit to do with the missus and the kids, so we're heading down now to have a look at what Andy done. He took everything out, he done loads of schults and stuff on the front, and we're ready to fit everything and get the car finished. So let's go, let's get this done. See you when I'm there. So we have new brake lines to replace the really bad brake lines, and then we have all new CV boots to replace all the crappy old CV boots. And then Andy done all this lovely work, new anti-roll bar bushes, new everything, painted the anti-roll bar nice and clean. So just shafts, brake lines and shocks. So that's one side completely done. Just to do the other side now. Great fun. The secret to unlocking the ponies.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Make a zummy noise. I'm gonna clean this up. Now that's a bit cleaner. Let's put the old holy airbox in and start it. See what she sounds like. A bit of battery encouragement she needs. Ooh. Brand new. Brand new. That's all running nice and quiet, and stick her down onto the floor. Right guys, just have her up to temp, have the lights on, just testing, making sure they're all working, and they are working indeed. Just going to bring it on a quick test drive and see how she goes. Let's go. Brakes are decent, aren't they?
Brakes are good. A bit of rubbing.
Yep. Great lights, aren't they?
Yeah.
Thanks to MCG. Nice and bright.
Best test ever. Speed ramp.
Yep. This is where it either goes all good or all wrong. good.
That's good.
Yeah. And yeah. I'm happy. Brakes feel good.
Brakes are actually good, yeah.
Going over ramps, little clunk in the back, but it's probably just the exhaust hitting off something. Them arches need to be trimmed as well. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Go back, do the alignment, that's it then.
Yeah.
Happy bunny. We say that's success.
Big time.
Big time. So that's the Fiat mostly done. Andy's just gonna do the tracking tomorrow, get it all aligned, and then stick a tack weld in this little hole here. So fair play to Andy for doing the car. Andy only works on Volkswagens, but he put himself out to work on the Fiat. He doesn't like working on Italian scrap or Jap scrap, but he will, because he's not a Mongo from the car scene and will help anyone out with any of their builds. So if anyone needs anything done to their car, give Andy a shout. He's the man, because this would have took me weeks to do in the garden, because I don't have a lift and I don't have all the tools, and Andy has everything up here to do everything and anything. So thumbs up, Andy. Good man. His Instagram is in the link, so hit him up, give him a follow, because look, the Fiat is brand new shampoo, new shocks, new springs, even made me new brake lines because my old ones were in shit. Redone all the brakes, built me a new exhaust because loudness, all new lines, exhaust done, welded up because when I done it, I didn't do it right, so he welded the exhaust where the slip joint was. Done a full service on the car, rebuilt the front end brakes. All this is new shocks, new springs, new lines. So yeah, the car is just about ready to go to body work, and that's it. Happy days. So guys, we're just home. I realised I didn't do an outro to the video, so yeah, I'll do it now. I'm absolutely filthy dirty, but fair play to Andy, Dub Mechanic on Instagram. I'll put his link to his Instagram in the description. Fair play to Andy for doing all that hard work. I did do a bit, but fair play to Andy. He's a proper dude, like he's a proper mate for helping me out with the Fiat. Yeah, all these videos will be up soon anyway. I usually keep a few months of videos, but I'm actually going to start recording up to date. So I'm going to release, you'll probably see it in the next few months, probably 3 videos a week, so then we are up to date. So it is now the end of February, March, so yeah, hopefully we're up to date in a few weeks, and I really do appreciate everyone for subscribing, everyone for watching and liking the videos and sharing them about. So yeah, that's it. It's really late, it's 12:30, we're really late getting home. Andy's staying up late, helped me with the car, so appreciate it for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, really do appreciate it. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.